There are some instances where there was a question posted to my acharya in the website by women that during the special times, the monthly menstruation cycle, is it not why it is not allowed to worship Almighty God? So to understand this from the Vedas, my Acharya always answers that quoting Yajurveda 40 by 8, Sapariyaga Chukram Akayam Avranam Masna Virang Shuddham Apapaviddham. So God is pure, God is omnipresent, God is almighty. By being omnipresent, He is present in each and every elementary particle. Inside it, God is present. And naturally, God is also present in the dirtiest of the places. He is also inside our human body where we have the urine, stools, blood vessels, veins, etc. etc. So, but the quality of Almighty God is, as mentioned in Ajurveda, that God says that, hey Jivatma, hey soul, you don't know that I am present inside you, but I am not touched by anything. I am a separate entity. So naturally, the dirts cannot touch Almighty God. A Muslim brother was jokingly asking my Acharya that our Allah is present, is in the top, and is watching us from the top, but your God is omnipresent. That means He is also in the dirtiest places, etc. For which my Acharya quoted the same Ved mantra saying that yes, God is omnipresent, but the dirt cannot touch the Almighty God. Similarly, like sun rays falling on a ditch does not, the dirt of the ditch cannot touch the sun rays. Similarly, the dirt of our human body cannot touch Almighty God. So it is not correct that a woman or a lady should stop worship of Almighty God during her special times. This is against Vedas, so she has to continue the worship of Almighty God, and this has been the practice from time immemorial in our Shastras, Upanishads or Vedas. Basically, the authority script is Vedas. So Vedas never condemn this. So everyone has to continue their daily worship irrespective of the special times, because during the special times God is present everywhere. So there is no change that is happening with reference to Almighty God. So we have to continue the worship of Almighty God even during the special times. But of course, the care has to be taken, as mentioned in Atharva Veda as well as in Rig Veda. The care has to be taken by the female to take complete rest, should not strain physically, and to avoid going to kitchen where we are, cooking the food, because at that point of time, the body generates some harmful bacteria which may get spread into the food, etc. So this has to be avoided. That's why God has told that you have to rest completely. You do not cook, but you should not stop the worship of Almighty God. There is no mention about stopping the worship in the Vedas, and only an Acharya who has attained Samadhi can exactly clarify these fundamental concepts from Vedas. So I thought of sharing with you. I was reading in the website, so I thought of sharing with you this beautiful information. And even in my house, during the special times, my family members still continue doing everyday homa, doing their Brahma Yajna or Sandhya Upasana, etc. So this is never stopped even at my house. So I would meet you again in another video. Thank you so much. Namaste. Om.